Dear Diary, I had the most amazing holiday. We went to ancient Greece. Dad spun me so fast, I nearly flew away. Mum and I played a game of chess, but the pieces were almost as big as me. Then we went to the sea. It's my favorite place in the world. I got to be the captain of a big boat. There was so much blue out there, but we didn't see any pirates. Mom and Dad had fun too. We had all kinds of fancy drinks. I love seeing them smile and laugh. Mum woke up early to stretch. She calls it yoga. Dad taught me how to play tennis, just like him. I think I've got the hang of it. Then we really flew. We were so high in the sky, I never wanted to come down. But I didn't want to miss all the yummy food. I even got a fancy drink of my own. I raced Dad on the beach. And I finally won. So he gave me the best seat in the house. It was the best time ever. I can't wait to come back. A holiday to remember. Potidea Palace.